Welcome. If you've ever wanted to take a trip down memory lane and see your Instagram account history from the very beginning, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to sort your Instagram account history from oldest to newest, using the latest features available in the app. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. From the menu, select your activity. This section is your personal hub for everything you've done on Instagram, making it easy to keep track of your actions and updates. Scroll down a little and tap on Account History. Here, you'll find a timeline of all the changes you've made to your account, like updates to your bio, username, email, and more. Now here's the key step. Look for the filter sort icon at the top of the account history page. Tap on it, and a new menu will appear with sorting options. Select oldest to newest. Instantly, your account history will be rearranged, showing your very first changes at the top and the most recent at the bottom. This feature is perfect for anyone curious about how their Instagram presence has evolved over time. Whether you want to reminisce about your first bio, see when you changed your profile picture, or just keep track of your digital footprint, sorting your account history gives you a clear, organized view. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can now view your Instagram account history from the very start. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials for the latest social media tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.